91 F-150 302 V8. Temporary starter solenoid wire from the ignition switch with a fusible link, just because I'm good with that. Fender mounted solenoid for the starter. That should be a clear indication that this vehicle should not have a solenoid on the starter. It should just be a starter motor. Well, I noticed when I started it up, after I got everything put back together, that it was making a bunch of noise. The starter was. And here's why. Somebody put the wrong starter on it. And on top of that, they wired in a hot wire for the solenoid. So once your key's on, pretty much the solenoid keeps the starter engaged. So we're gonna fix that.